Welcome to Muscle Car TV. Today we have the pleasure of showing you this stunning 1971 Lakeside Green HG GTS Monaro. It's a very, very rare Lakeside Green with the parchment trim, or sandalwood trim, sandalwood trim. Factory quad exhaust because it's a factory manual car. This is beautifully fully restored. Look at the lines, the body, the paint, it's just spectacular. And this car is, it's only done a few miles, literally, since it was restored. Inside you've got your lovely sandalwood and yeah, factory manual. We'll open the bonnet and have a look at this beautiful engine. Original matching number 308, and really rare for 1971, the power steering. And I'll show you over here with your tags. So you got a third month 71, and everything's there. Look at this magnificent colour. Get a good idea of the colour. And we'll listen to this car go off into the distance. Very pretty. Beautiful car. Coming back, it's a very pretty Lakeside Green. If you're interested in having a look at this car, please call Mike Selby at Australian Muscle Car Sales, and it will be in our Kingsgrove facility shortly, and then we'll look forward to showing you the car when you are able to come to Sydney. But yeah, here it is, very rare Lakeside Green 308 V8 and manual, factory manual. Thank you for watching Muscle Car TV.